right now I'm going to try the Amazon first. Get this on there. And then I'm going to hook up the extender. Now we're just going to wait for it to load up. Go straight to my network. So right now it's connected to my Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to wait for the TP link extender to pop up. There it goes. I'm going to connect to it. Connected. And it says wired connected. I don't need to do all that.
Be soft. When you're doing it alone, be strong. Life takes softness and strength, which is why we make Angel Soft with a balance of both.
So far, so good.
Something that works.
Let me check a channel that I always have problems with, which is HBO. By the way, this is Prime Streams, and I took Prime Streams and put it on the TV Mate player, just so I can have that direct TV feel to it.
"75 seconds. Freeze. You're blocking the beam. I can't see it. You're blocking the beam.
This is ridiculous. I will go to school and you will stay right.
What?
Evan.
Evan? Who's Evan?
My neediest patient. I've been seeing him every day for the past 3 years.
Bummer.
Maybe just my face would be reassuring.
No, wait. I am not babysitting some 40-year-old whack job. I mean, what am I supposed to say to the freak?
Nothing. You are in no
So
way
far, so good with the
that would be unethical. Just
Amazon Ethernet adapter.
And if you
I'm not having any issues.
Say, how do you feel about that?
Bought this on eBay for about
You really want us to be
$10.
Well, we'll get through this morning
And
as each other.
so
and
far,
then
so
we'll go back
good.
to the restaurant at lunch and get switched back.
Because I'm always having issues on HBO.
Well, good luck getting dressed without a door.
And you know how everybody feels about their Game of Thrones, and I was having issues.
You'll get used to this.
What? You pierced your navel?
Yeah, I meant to talk to you about that.
When did you do this?
At Maddie.